Storytime with Captain Crackers. One day I looked up in the roof and there's a possum trying to get into my house. So I built him a little box and I call him Fatso. So Fatso comes every morning back to his bed and he leaves every night. And he's still a Fatso. Hello. This is where Fatso lives. He's in the box. And sometimes you can hear him snoring, just like we don't want to wake Fatso up. He might come out and I'll go, ah, 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 ah.